Okay, hello everyone. We're here to unbox a power bank. It's another power bank from UGREEN, this one. I've got some others from Inui and Haymix. This one is, as you can see, 25,000 milliamp hour. It's got various outputs, but the main input and output is 145 watt. As I've said before, you can't use that on some things because if you're trying to charge something that also has an in-out port, the electronics just don't want to cooperate. So this one I got from Amazon. So you can see there, that's the description. I'll put a link in the description as well in the video. But yes, that's it. So we'll open it up. I basically bought this one because one of my Inui ones died, so it wouldn't put anything out anymore. Okay, might put that box there. You might be able to see some of the specs while I'm opening this up. Okay, so comes with USB cable, USB-C to USB-C. Probably be a 5 amp 100 watt cable. It wouldn't be 140, I think. Can open this up. Don't know how much charge it would have out of the box. Okay, so you can see some warnings and ratings. 25,000 milliamp hour, like we said. Okay, so you've got your in-out. That's rated 140 watt. You've got USB-A out. I haven't checked, but I'd say it's somewhere around 18 to 20 watts. And the dedicated output from USB-C there, which is not marked, but that's supposed to be rated at 65 watt. It's part of the reason why I chose this one, because I need to charge drone batteries, and they take quite a bit of power. Probably would have been better to have 100 watt out, but like I said, this probably won't work. Actually, I'll stop the video in a minute and I'll go get some of the drone batteries and see if it does work at all. So, got a power button, power on. Okay, the display, it's not overly bright because it's a matte finish. It doesn't seem like it's got a sticker on there, or maybe it does have, but anyway, so it comes with some charge in it. Yeah, I'll go and get a cable. Just plug that in. I'll leave that there. See what else they've given us in the box here. Okay, so they've on this one. Okay, we've got some instructions. Don't know what that is. Some more little information, user manual instructions, and they've given a cover, which is nice because some of them don't come with a cover, and they get scratched up if you're carrying them around a lot, like I do. I carry them everywhere. Okay, I'll just stop this. I've got a load here now to try this out. I'll just move that out of the screen. You'll have to trust me that I've got a load. And that actually has the so that load can actually be used as a charger as well. So I'm actually going to try it on the in-out port and see whether it will work, although I expect it won't. But let's try it. So we've plugged that in. And it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Yeah, I'll try and show you. You can see this is just going backwards and forwards trying to work out what's going on. So it's trying to, what it's doing is trying to supply power, and then it's trying to take power, and this is doing the same thing. So we'll take it out of that port, out of the in-out port. We'll put it into the dedicated 65 watt port, and that should kick it off, and it'll start charging then, which it is already. So you can see that now it's charging the battery. So yeah, there's a demonstration of what I was talking about and why these in-out ports don't work very well on a lot of things now. So yeah, beware of that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you got any value out of this at all, and I'll update with the performance later on or any issues. And yeah, see you then. Bye for now.